Mason Tractor Co. is your local Kubota dealer carrying top-of-the-line equipment for agriculture, turf, and construction. When you arrive, our friendly and knowledgeable staff will work hard to ensure you get exactly what you need. On our lot, you'll find tractors, mowers, utility equipment, and attachments to tackle any project. Don't let finances stand in the way. We have low-rate, long-term financing options available. Visit a Mason Tractor Co. near you today.